How to recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover a TikTok account without email or phone number. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your TikTok. Now just continue to log in. Now since you do not have your account, just tap on the login button here first. And after you're here, you will see use phone, email, or username. Tap on that option. Now, since we don't have a phone number and since we don't have an email, what we'll do is we'll tap on the question mark icon that is on the top right corner. As you can see it on the top right corner, tap on it. After you tap on that, it might take some time to load, but after it does, you will see different options. Now here you will see recover your account on the top. Tap on recover your account. After you tap on recover your account, here you will see different options. Now what we'll do is, since we do not have a phone number and since we do not have an email, what we'll do is we'll enter our username here. So enter your username and just enter your username first and then tap on search. After you search for your username, they will present you with different usernames, and here you will see password or email to just log in. Now just tap on can't access these and tap on request support. After you tap on request support, now here you will need to type a message for TikTok. Just type in that you do not have access to your email or your phone number, and you will have an alternate email which you will have to give it to them so they can help you recover your account. After you type in that message and send, TikTok support will start communicating with you and you'll get to recover your TikTok account without your email or phone number. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.